Alright. Adventures of Ryan E. That kind of speaks for itself. So we're here. We just got done playing Life, right?
Yep.
Who won?
Ethan.
He won the game of
I
life.
came second. You came last.
Yes. Mama came third. We're back to our 6-lane super highway track, right? And which new one did you get today?
We got BB-8.
All right,
Well,
so
we got more, but
oh yeah, well we'll introduce them too because we're gonna have specific battles, and then the winner will go on into different rounds. So this is a specific droid Star Wars droid battle, right? So we only have 3 droids. I don't know. Are there other droids out there that we don't have yet or no? No, right?
there's like this other one I saw.
Wait a minute.
That the dark side has one.
C3PO is a droid.
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, here we go.
Probably 6. He's a droid?
Yeah, he's a droid. All right, so we're doing a C3PO versus R2D2 versus BB-8, and then what's that new one?
D/O or something like that.
D-O.
No, it's Dio.
Dio?
Yeah.
We didn't see that movie yet, so all right, let me go down there. All right, I changed my position. Let's give a countdown up there.
3, 2, 1.
R2D2.
Lane 3, and the victor of that race on the Jewels of the Rainforest book next to Pamilio is R2D2 advancing. Alright, in the current winner circle is R2D2, and the boys are currently working on the next challenge. Is going to be a battle between the Star Wars bad guys. Alright, we're back with round 2 of our select challenge here. Still with the theme of Star Wars, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so we got our new figure today. Who's this?
It is Darth Vader.
Darth Vader.
Because once this Torah, the stormtrooper, he was super slow, but then my dad said, next time let's get Darth Vader. And then the next time we got Darth Vader.
Alright, we got Stormtrooper. Who's next?
And Kylo Ren.
Kylo Ren. So we have a battle between Darth Vader, Stormtrooper, and Kylo Ren.
Lane 1,
Lane 1,
Lane 2,
Lane 2, Stormtrooper.
and Lane 3.
Lane 3, the new one, Darth Vader.
5, not 3.
Oh, Lane 5, yeah. And Lane 2, the Stormtrooper.
Just barely after something.
And the winner of select race number 2, the Stormtrooper. Alright, back in the winner circle. We have R2D2 and a Stormtrooper. Boys are currently working on Star Wars Good People. And we're back with our third select, our Star Wars Good Guys, or Good Ladies. And we have only one. So we gotta increase we gotta get like Chewbacca. Do we have a back of one of those car boxes, or they go on the garbage? We gotta find more Star Wars good people here. Alright, so we just have Ray, right?
Good, guys.
So Ray's gonna have a pretty easy race here. Let's check it out. Alright, let's talk about our lanes for our racers. Just kidding. We just have one individual racer in lane 6. So, let's see if Ray can do it. Alright,
She
Ray.
wins somehow.
And Ray advances. Alright, current winner circle, we have R2D2, Stormtrooper, and Ray. Next, the boys are working on DC Superheroes Select Race. Alright, we're back with Select Race number 4, DC Superheroes. We only have 5, so let's go over who's in the lane, Z.
So we got Superman,
Lane 6, Superman. Lane 5,
Cyborg, Batman,
whoa,
Automan, and Wonder
Batman's lane 3,
Automan 2, and Wonder Woman Lane 1.
and Wonder Woman lane 1. Oh, I like Wonder Woman's car. Alright, let's check it out. Quick little update. Hey. Alright, we're back for select race. Whoa. Let's do that one again. Alright, we're back with a redo. We had a little false alarm. Alright, so I'm ready when you guys are ready for the countdown.
3, 2, 1, go!
There they go. And yeah, Batman. Where's Batman? Batman was so fast he actually ricocheted and went back on a track somehow. And the winner of that one is Batman, who we recently just found in one of Ethan's toy bins here that hold all sorts of toys that go missing. And then we have Batman joining the winner's circle with the 3 Star Wars figures. And next, we'll see what the boys figure out. Alright, we're back with select race number 5, and the theme is
Random TV show.
random shows. Who's that?
Fish Stick or something like that.
Fish Stick?
No, for Ninja
I
Turtles.
forget his name too. I definitely don't think it was Fish Stick though.
For Ninja Turtles.
Fish Stick. No.
For Ninja.
It was Dog Pound and
I don't know.
I forget.
Fish Stick. Okay.
Alright, definitely
And
not Fish Stick.
we have this person from Pokemon.
Okay.
We have Yoshi. We have Pope. We have this new one we got today, Snoopy. And we have a random car from Cars something.
And Pope was also in Cars too. Alright. Let's go down there. Alright, he's going to give us a lane reminder. Lane 1 is who? Cars?
Random car from Cars.
My favorite Snoopy. Lane 3 is Pope. Lane 4 is Snoopy.
I mean,
No.
Yoshi.
Lane 4 is Yoshi, right?
Lane
5 is
someone from
Pokemon. And lane
Fish
6
Stick.
is Fish Stick. Oh man. Alright, we're back. We had a little bit of a track issue there. So we're about to release. He did the intros. We ended at Fish Stick. And whenever we're ready for a countdown, I'm good here.
3, 2, 1.
And we have... We gotta figure out the name. We can't call this thing Fish Stick. We gotta get back on that one. Alright, we're back with the winner circle here. We have, obviously we talked about all of them, and then we have a confirmed name of not Fish Sticks, but Fish Face, which I totally didn't remember. Razar's what that morphs into the second time, I believe. But so far we have 5 cars there, so let's see who's next, and let's see what category is next too. Alright, update on the countdown there. And there we go with Farmers Insurance again. Alright, we're back. Let's introduce the next select race here.
Is
In lane 1, who do we have?
Pooey?
Pewee. Pluto, eh? That's Mickey Mouse's dog, buddy.
No, Pooh the bear.
Oh, that's not Pluto. Oh, sorry, that's Pooh Bear. Check out Pooh Bear, it's pretty cool. Look at the back of his little cement truck. It's not cement, but it's what?
Honey.
Press that circle on my phone, E. Press the circle on my phone. Again. Whatever. Take my word for it. It's honey. Didn't focus. All right, who's next?
I don't know what that is.
Wally.
Oh, that's Wally.
Simba.
Wallow.
I
Who's
think
that?
is it
Simba?
Puma or
Simba. And
Oh, Pumbaa. Yeah. And then who?
Genie.
And Genie. All right, so we only have 5 in this one. All right, so this is called Disney Part 1. So let's get the countdown, and I'm ready here.
3, 2, 1, go.
Lane 1, Pooh Bear. Pooh Bear and the honey truck. I like honey. Pooh. Now we can get the honey truck. There's that honey. Alright, we're in our winner's circle now. Well, our winner's line. With the new addition that's next to Fish Face is Pooh Bear. Pooh Bear was actually purchased today, so that's pretty cool. Alright, let's see who's next. The boys are going with Disney Part 2. Alright, we're back Disney Part 2. Now we have Pluto, right?
Yeah, Pluto,
Pluto, who's that?
Moana,
Oh, Moana, that's a cool one.
B-Max, who's one of the fastest. We have the dog Dory and Donald.
And Donald Duck. Alright,
Donald's pretty fast.
let's see. Alright, so Disney Part 2. I'm ready to go down here, get the countdown.
Oh, 3, 2, 1, go!
Lane 4, Baymax. As predicted by Ethan. All right, in the winner line here, and now we have Baymax added to the mix. What will be the next select race? We'll have to see. All right, we're back. Come over here, buddy. E.
Oh.
What are we on? Part 1 of...
Part 1 of Toy Story.
Part 1 of Toys. Hey, look at that. You have actually a car shirt on right there.
What?
With the Italian flag.
Oh.
Alright. So who do we have?
Woody.
Whoa, lane 1, yeah?
Lane 1 is Woody. Lane 3.
Lane 3 is...
Doot.
Lane 5.
is Lex. And lane 6 is Orange Buzz.
Orange Buzz, because we have 2 buzzes, right?
Yeah,
we colored them.
this is Sonic Buzz.
Alright. Alright, Toy Story Part 1, I'm ready. Get the countdown, E.
3, 2, 1, go!
Buzz. Advancing. Buzz. Alright, we're running out of room up here. So now we have the addition Buzz. Now we have next one, Toy Story Part 2. Alright, little update to 2020 there. Alright, Toy Story Part 2.
Okay, so lane 1 is Alien.
Alien.
Lane 2 is Bunny.
Lane 3.
Oh wait, lane 3 is Bunny. Lane 4 is Normal Buzz.
Normal Buzz.
And lane 5 is Bo Peep.
Bo Peep. Alright, Toy Story round 2. I'm ready down here. Get the countdown.
3, 2, 1. And somehow, Buzz tested up with Bunny.
Buzz.
Buzz tested up with Bunny.
So we have a duplicate winner there. Now our winner line has actually 2 buzzes in it. And we're officially out of room up here. So we're here with our next select race, and this is who?
Hot Wheels Special Effects.
Hot Wheels Special Effects.
So this one that has a toaster.
So this is a cool one. We got this one today, right?
Yeah, if you press this button right here, it lifts up the toaster. I don't know if you can see it or not.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. What's next?
Then Slider has the seat comes out.
That's cool.
And Bubble
Maker has the bubble thing.
Cool. Alright. Let's get ready to go. Alright. We're here. We got our effect, Hot Wheels effect. I'm ready when you are up there, bud.
3, 2, 1, go.
Happened to Slider over there.
Who was it? Toast. Let's call this guy Toast. And the winner is Toast. Alright, so we have 10 in the winners line now. Toast joining the mix of winning cars. Alright, we're back. What's this one called, bud?
Hot Wheels Animal Race.
Hot Wheels animal theme, right?
Yeah.
And with car 1 is what?
That skeleton.
A skeleton?
What is it
Maybe that
called?
was a human skeleton or something?
Yeah.
Alright, what's next?
Dino
Dino car
and Cider.
and spider car. So we got an arachnid over there. Alright. Alright, I'm ready down here on the animal select race.
And 3, 2, 1.
Who was that?
Dino.
Dino car. Dino car advances. Alright, here's a look at our 11 finalists. And we have room for one more, so then we can have a race of 6 and 6. So the question is, who will be the 12th car, the final car, and what category will it be? Alright, we're back with our final select race before we go to the championship rounds. And it was what?
On the Hot Wheels transparent feature.
So each one of the cars has some type of transparent feature, right? So if you're younger and watching this, do we know what transparent means, gentlemen?
It means like what you can see inside the car.
Very good. So if we can see through it, that means light is also penetrating through it. So typically you have translucent, transparent, and then something that's opaque. Opaque meaning that it's blocking all the light, transparent, it's allowing all the light, and something that's translucent will allow some light through it. So let's introduce the cars.
So,
And we changed this name. It's called Stripes.
Stripes, lane 1.
we also got this Five Below car.
Five Below car.
51.
51.
Car. Police topics. It says police.
That's it. That's like in Spanish, I think. Police? It says police.
Okay.
No.
No, that's French, I believe.
Oh yeah, police.
Policia.
This cloud came with this one team.
That's graffiti. This is graffiti.
Oh, these two cars came with the raceway?
Oh, no, that one's dragon. This one's graffiti.
Alright, so we're ready to go with this last select race. Alright, I'm ready down here for our last select race. Get the countdown.
3, 2, 1.
Lane 1. What are we calling this one again? Stripes?
Right.
Stripes. Alright, so here we are. So we have 12 finalists. Here they are again. R2D2, a Stormtrooper. We have Ray. We have Batman. We have Fish Face. We have my man Pooh Bear in his honey truck. We have Baymax. We have one Buzz.
No, wait, it's Santa's Buzz.
And Shannon's Buzz.
Santa's Buzz.
Spanish Buzz?
Yeah.
Oh, alright. Who's that? English Buzz?
Toast. No,
Yeah.
Toast.
English Buzz.
Santa's Buzz.
Oh.
Toast.
Toast is a cool one.
Dino.
Dino Car. And Stripes. So, if you're watching this, think about who you may want to win. If I'm picking two, I'm going to go with, kind of favoring those Star Wars ones, but I'm going to go with Pooh Bear in the honey truck and the other new car, Toast. E, who are you going with?
I'm going with Baymax.
Baymax? And that's it?
Let's go with, who's that? R2D2.
R2D2 and
going
Baymax. And Ryan's going with
Batman
and
Baymax.
Baymax. Alright, so here's how this is going to work. The first 6 will face each other, right?
And then,
In one race, and then the next 6 will face each other, and then the 2 winners will compete for the championship. Alright, so...
dun, dun, dun.
Dun, 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 dun. Alright, so we have our semifinals here. Let's, oh, actually, let me record it up there real quick. Alright. Lane 1, who?
Pooey.
Pooh Bear in the honey truck.
Batman.
Lane 2. Lane 3,
Lane 3.
Ray.
Ray.
Lane 4,
Lane 4 up to D2. Lane 5. The Stormtrooper. And lane 6.
Fish Face. Alright. Alright, so we added a slow-mo feature for that last race, and the winner was
Yay.
Ray. So now we're going to run our next 6 and determine who Ray's going to be facing. Alright, quick little update there. 42 and 12. Alright, we're back for our other semi-final race.
Yep.
Let's introduce lane 1. We have Stripes. Lane 2, Toast.
Toaster.
Lane 3,
Dino. Lane 4, Baymax. Lane 5, Normal Buzz. Lane 6, Santa's Buzz.
Alright. Alright, so we have the finals established for our New Year's video here. Star Wars Rey versus Disney Baymax. Who do you think will win?
Yeah.
We'll see. Alright, so we're going to go in slow-mo again. So lane 2 up there is Huey.
Lane 2 is Baymax and lane 3 is Finn?
Rey.
Right.
Alright, let's switch over. Let's switch over to slow-mo. And there she is, purchased from today. Our final champ of 2019 going into 2020. Star Wars hero, Rey. Happy New Year, everyone. Adventures of Ryan E signing out for 2019.